Welcome to Rehatched Designs by Tina Williams, where I make junk journals, all different styles, several different ways, for many different upcycled and new things. Sit back and enjoy the video. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload future videos. Hey y'all, I know it's been a minute. I have been super busy. If you have come over to my other channel, Rehatched Designs by Tina Williams, where I do home decor, you probably know all about what's going on. I started that channel in February and it took off. And around the latter part of March, I was looking for a booth rental. I ended up getting one at Painted Tree in North Richland Hills. And then soon after, I was offered two more booths in two really good locations close to my home at different Painted Tree locations. And I decided to go ahead and do it. Well, within that time period, trying to get three booths ready is hard enough. But then I had this crazy idea that I would go ahead and put up a website and get that going and bring on three paint lines, Paint Couture and Fusion Paint and Sweet Pickins Milk Paint and IOD. Also, IOD is not a paint line. It is transfers and stamps and other and molds and things like that. So I've been doing all of that, and that's all to say that's why I've been gone. I've had people ask questions and I've tried to answer them as best I could. I will continue to make junk journals. I will continue to do junk journal videos on this channel, but not as much. I really originally thought that I could possibly put out 2 videos a week on this channel, and I'm not going to be able to do that. I'm just not, because I can't see how I can possibly do that along with everything else. And to be 100% honest with you, the junk journal community, as much as I love it, is a very small niche. And because of that, it's just not very profitable for me to do YouTube videos on junk journals, every day, etc. I realize there are a few people that do very well with that, but I think for the vast majority, it doesn't have the broad appeal that doing DIY home decor type things does. So I'm focusing more on that channel, but I'm not gonna not do this channel, and I'm not gonna not do junk journals. I will definitely do that. I love them. I was actually looking through some of my recent ones that I did, and I'm in the process of trying to finish 4 journals that I really honestly don't have that far to go, but it's just with everything going on, I have not had a chance to do that. I would like to say that I appreciate everyone that has been a subscriber to my channel, that has followed me on my journey. And also, I know many of you have watched me over on my other channel, and I will put that link in the description box. If you can't find it, you can just go there and click on it. But for the most part, guys, I have to put I have to go where, it does the best for me, and where that energy is best utilized. So anyway, all that to say is I will try very hard to at least get 2 videos out per month on this channel. I want one of them to be a flip through and the other one at least a process video. I have over 400 videos out there on YouTube on junk journals, a lot of how-tos, a lot of stuff for beginners. So if you have, some questions and things, look through my video playlist. I'm going to try and organize it better for you, but I don't know exactly when I'm going to get around to doing that. But that will help a lot of the newcomers out there, and also hopefully inspire you to continue making junk journals. I love making junk journals. I can't tell you how much I love making junk journals, and that's why I will continue to make junk journals. I just won't be able to do as many as I did before, and I definitely will not be able to do as many videos as I've done before, but I'm not going to abandon that hobby or that craft, and I'm not going to abandon my channel. Even though it may seem like I have in the last couple months, I have just had to somewhere give myself a break. And knowing that I had over 400 videos out there in a span of 3 years, I felt like this is the place I could give myself a little room, and y'all would understand that. Anyway, guys, I will be out with a video hopefully. I'm not going to give you an exact day. It'll probably be maybe this Monday, and that's what I'm trying. I'm aiming for, and so be looking for that. And the best thing to do is to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then you'll know whenever I have a new video out there. And then I have also had people ask about the journals that I'm working on that were in my last few videos. I am not reserving those. I have found that that's probably not the best way to go about it. I just think what I'll do is I'll let you know when I do a flip through when it's going to appear in my Etsy shop, and then first come first serve, because that to me is the fairest way. The only thing, the preference I'm going to do is one of those journals, I am going to offer it to only people who have purchased journals from me before. I'm going to, and so, I mean, I've done at least 100 journals, at least. I don't know how many, but at least that much, probably more. But those people, I will reach out to you, and you should get an email when it's time, and then you will get to choose if you would like to purchase that journal before everyone else. And I think that is my way to say thank you for all these years, and the people that have supported me, not just by buying my journals, but also just come and watched, and and had my back this whole time. And I can't thank you enough. And I know a lot of you have come over to my DIY channel, and I really appreciate that. And if you like that kind of thing, if you like home decor and that type of thing, you may want to go over there. I do talk a lot there about my booths, setting them up, what sells, what doesn't sell. But these are the kind of things that, regardless if you're selling your items or not, to knowing how to make them just for gifts, that type of thing is really great, or just updating your own home. So check that out, and hopefully, y'all will stick with me, even though it's not going to be as often as I had been doing. And for the people that are new to this channel, seriously, I have a lot of video in my playlist, and the quality may not always have been great, but the content itself, as far as how you do things, etc., it hasn't changed that much. So definitely look at those to help you. And that's part of the thing with this whole changing, is that I have to somehow be artistic and have that outlet, like I know a lot of you do. I've heard so many people talk about how making junk journals helps them emotionally, and it sustains them in many ways. And I hope you keep doing it, and I hope that that you pop in occasionally and watch my videos. And I hope that you, in some way, even if it's not a junk journal or any way, um, find something that will help you um, be creative and help you with emotionally, just to have that outlet. So anyway, that's all I came on here to say. And like I said, be looking for a video. I'm going to try really, really hard to get it out in the first part of next week. And it will be a process video. And I'm not sure exactly on what. I think it may be Halloween related. So I think. I'm not positive. That's what's going on in my brain because I have a lot of stuff I need to use up. The other thing that I wanted to bring up before I go is that I will be destashing some of my junk journal stuff, not all of it, but I will be putting little packages together with stuff in it and be looking for that in the next week or two. That way I will put them in my Etsy shop and you can be looking there. And also I am selling IOD products on my Etsy, but also I'm going to be putting things on my website more than my Etsy, simply because it is a lot less expensive for me to sell things on my website than Etsy. It's also cheaper for you because I pass that savings on to you. I do a flat rate shipping, and if under $50, and if you spend over $50, you get free shipping. And I make sure that I have everything on my website. I don't always put everything on my Etsy, simply because they do charge you to list everything, and I don't want to list it in both places, and pay that fee. So it's always better to look in my website. The journals I will sell in my Etsy because those are the people that's where they've been buying, and that's how I'm going to contact them. And then the other ones I finish, I'll probably continue to do that because I really don't anticipate having more than one journal a month that I will possibly be able to do. So anyway, that's all I had to say, and hopefully I will see y'all next week. Take care.